recent survey indicates that nominating former First Lady Michelle Obama as the Democratic Party's official presidential candidate would be the best strategy to defeat Donald Trump. Party members are increasingly losing confidence in Joe Biden due to his health issues and a disappointing debate performance. They believe their concerns may be addressed if they can persuade Michelle Obama to accept the nomination. A Reuters Ipsos poll released on Tuesday shows Michelle Obama 60, leading Trump 78, by 11 percentage points, 50 to 39% among registered voters. In other potential matchups, Biden is tied with Trump at 40% each, while Trump narrowly leads Vice President Kamala Harris by 1 percentage point, 43% to 42%. Trump also outpaces several Democratic governors who might replace Biden, including California's Gavin Newsom, Michigan's Gretchen Whitmer, Kentucky's Andy Beshear, and Illinois' J.B. Pritzker. While former President Barack Obama has publicly supported Biden following his debate misstep, Michelle Obama has maintained her distance during the re-election cycle. She holds a favorable opinion among voters, according to the Reuters Ipsos survey. Additionally, she has kept close ties with Hunter Biden's ex-wife, Kathleen Buell, during the Obama administration, and reportedly feels aggrieved over her friend's exclusion by the Biden family. Michelle Obama explicitly declined to endorse Biden during a 2022 interview regarding his re-election campaign. Barack Obama has participated in fundraisers for Biden throughout the 2024 election cycle, most recently appearing with him on July 15th after a significant fundraising event in Los Angeles. Unless Biden voluntarily steps down, he is almost certain to be the Democratic nominee in 2024. On Wednesday, Biden, 81, reassured his campaign staff of his intent to remain in the race, but reportedly confided to a close ally that he might reconsider if his polling numbers continue to decline. According to the Reuters Ipsos poll, more than half, 56% of Americans believe Biden should withdraw from the race, while 46% think Trump should suspend his campaign. The poll, conducted on July 1 Tech, surveyed 1,170 U.S. adults, including 892 registered voters, with a margin of error of plus or minus 3.2 percentage points for all respondents and 3.5 percentage points for registered voters.